Hi guys, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. And if you have seen my previous videos, I had told you that I had stayed in two separate hotels during my Phuket trip. So this is the second one, which was much cheaper than the first one. And as you can see, there's a beautiful lobby that we are checking in. There's a small area of reading books where you can enjoy a cute little temple, and these are the houses of the local people. Also, this entire building was much better compared to the first one. No offense should be taken, because I found this place better, as right outside my room there was a pool, so I had to just change and jump into the pool. That was the best part about it. Secondly, this was very close to the market area, which is very important, and I must say that whenever you're traveling, make sure to search for hotels which are very close to the city center, because you end up paying a lot of money otherwise. Normal room, as you can see towards the left, there is a closet, there's a locker area, plus towards the right you will find the washroom, and it was definitely better than the previous one. I really like this washroom better. Also, it's a normal standard room, and the price I paid is much less compared to the earlier one. So like I said, you should always make sure to check in only for 1 or 2 days from your home country, and once you're actually landing up in the new country, then you can end up searching for the hotels which is way cheaper, this is how I found out this place. So today is the last day in my Bangkok trip, and I just wanted to keep the day like very chill and relaxed. We were just walking around the Patong beach. We did not do much about it. Well, this video will also show you about the Bangla Road, which I didn't get to post much, but definitely this that is like the now from this hotel the Bangla Road was like around 10 minutes walk, so it is very close compared to the previous one. Terrace of the hotel, as you can see the view, I can see the entire city area from the top. There's also a kids pool. Now on the top the kids are not allowed, so there was another pool which is on the ground floor, that's right outside my bedroom. There's a mall right opposite. Then there was 7-Eleven. There was a supermarket. That's, you can see, that's a supermarket 24/7. Plus on the right we had restaurants. So it is very important that everything should be close to your hotel. Now I've also made a picture which I have posted it in the form of a post on YouTube, which shows the entire cost that I had incurred, including from my hotel to air tickets to the packages, tours to the bike rental, everything. If you have seen my previous vlogs, definitely you will get an idea of it, but this will include the entire breakup of the prices that I have paid throughout my trip. Beautiful Patong beach. It has Patong beach written in the evening. Right opposite on the right is a Bangla beach. As you can see the Patong beach, that lane is the Bangla Road. This is the entire market area and the beach, which is the most happening place in Phuket for everyone, for all age groups. So do make your visit to this place. And this video is the last one of this Bangkok trip, so the trip has come to an end. It was a very nice trip. All the details have been left in the description box below. Otherwise, I have made sure to post it in the form of a post in YouTube post. And if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to mention in the comment box below. And do let me know if you like this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.